So I'd like to demonstrate what you don't want to hear when you test a home for EMI. So I'm in the middle of a room and I'm just going to run through the AM dial, and what you're going to hear is the sound that's made from lighting, from HVAC systems, from different motors that are connected to the electrical wiring of this building. And you're going to see that the AM dial is completely filled with EMI. So you can hear that very few radio stations can even come in this environment. And none of these sounds is something you'd want to have in your home, but this building has multiple different sources. So hopefully this will help you to see how you can use an AM radio to reduce the dirty electricity in your home.